If you're in the market for a new action camera, things just got a whole lot more interesting. With 2 new GoPro models on the way and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro expected soon, it seemed like the competition was heating up. But now, Insta360 has entered the fray with a leaked look at the Ace Pro 2, and this might just shake things up. The original Ace Pro set a high bar for action cams, and if these leaks are anything to go by, the Ace Pro 2 could be a serious contender. Let's break down what we know so far about this highly anticipated release. The Ace Pro 2 is shaping up to be a serious upgrade from its predecessor, especially when it comes to video quality. We're likely looking at 8K video recording, potentially boosted from 24 to 30 frames per second, offering even smoother footage at a higher resolution. But that's just the beginning. There's also buzz about a new dual AI chip powering this camera, meaning more advanced image processing and stabilization behind the scenes. This extra brain power could be a game changer for creators who need pro-level results with less effort. Battery life for the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 seems to be a significant upgrade, with leaks showing up to 3 hours of record time. That's a notable improvement over the original Ace Pro's 100-minute limit, and places it between the Hero 13 Black's 2.5 hours and the Osmo Action 5 Pro's 4-hour endurance, making it a solid contender among the top action cameras. A noticeable design tweak is the addition of a more pronounced microphone positioned underneath the camera's lens. This suggests we could see enhanced in-camera audio quality, a welcome improvement for creators who prefer not to rely on external mics. Another earlier leak showed the Ace Pro 2 in hand with markings that included dual AI chip, though recent images don't feature this label. However, with Insta360 pushing an AI-powered tagline, it's reasonable to expect the new model will incorporate AI-driven enhancements, even if the specifics of the dual AI chip are still unclear. Whether for image processing, stabilization, or other functions, AI is likely to play a key role in this next-gen device. The lens markings also suggest that the Ace Pro 2 will stick with the trusted Leica Super Summer Day lens, offering the same f2.6 aperture as the previous model. While this aperture delivers solid performance, we're hoping to see some improvements in low-light shooting capabilities. With all these potential upgrades, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is shaping up to be an impressive action camera, possibly offering a perfect balance between battery life, image quality, and smart features. It's still early, but things are looking promising. If the Ace Pro 2 sticks to the formula of its predecessor, you can expect it to be hefty. Remember, the original Ace Pro was 177% heavier than the GoPro Hero 12 Black. And that weight typically comes with a higher price tag too. The original Ace Pro started at $449.99. So if you're planning to add this beast to your gear bag, it might be time to start saving. The action camera market, once ruled by GoPro, now has 2 strong challengers, DJI and Insta360, making the competition fiercer than ever. What makes this battle even more exciting for consumers is how each brand is carving its own distinct niche. GoPro focuses on versatility with interchangeable lens mods and enhanced 5.3K video. DJI leads with its impressive low-light performance and ultra-rugged build. And Insta360 seems poised to raise the bar with the Ace Pro 2, boasting 8K video and advanced AI-powered features. The Ace Pro series stands out as the only one of the 3 to offer a flip-up selfie screen, making it ideal for vloggers and solo creators. Of course, that added functionality also makes it the largest and heaviest among its competitors. Insta360 has already established itself as a major player in the action cam space, thanks to innovations like the X4, its cutting-edge 360-degree camera, and the ultra-compact Go 3S. While there's no confirmed release date for the Ace Pro 2 just yet, it looks like it will nicely round out Insta360's lineup and take on the competition head-on. Needless to say, we're excited to see what it brings to the table. That's all we have for now on the latest action camera leaks, but one thing is clear. Whether you're Team GoPro, DJI, or Insta360, this year is set to bring some seriously exciting upgrades for action cam enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more updates.